Hi, this is Shortery. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in the job market lately, with many people wondering if it will eventually replace human workers.
It also has some downsides that we're going to have to figure out.
Some experts predict that AI will eliminate certain jobs. Others believe that it will create new opportunities for employment, while others argue that it will not have a significant impact on employment at all. So what's the truth? Will people be jobless because of AI? First, let's define what we mean by artificial intelligence. AI refers to development of computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from manufacturing to healthcare to finance, and can actually make people rich and create completely new opportunities for younger generations to be rich. Or also, it will definitely play with the capitalism system, something that I will explain further in this video.
Artificial intelligence
Is seeping into our lives in all sorts of ways that we just don't notice.
Artificially intelligent machine becomes sentient, meaning it has become aware of itself.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
The way we think about AI is colored by popular culture, if not eliminating jobs.
So let's be honest here. AI will definitely make some people jobless. But how and when? So here are the 5 questions that we will cover in this video, and hopefully you will end up with a final idea of the future of jobs with AI. It is important to first understand the magnitude of what's going on. You've probably heard of ChatGPT lately.
GPT.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Chatbot GCP, thank you for talking to me today.
It's been trending worldwide and making people scratch their heads of how good it is and how that thing works. In essence, it's a chatbot where you write queries or prompts and it will answer to your prompts with mind-blowing accuracy. It's a brilliant bot. But AI isn't just a website with a chat interface where you input a question, indexes the internet to gather the data and then output it to you. No, AI is bigger than that. AI is a new type of intelligence, an artificial intelligence which might threaten the importance of work, workers, and money itself on this planet.
Because what's going to happen is robots will be able to do everything better than us. But when I say everything, like the robots will be able to do everything.
So let's explore how the increasing use of AI may shape the future of work and discuss the potential benefits and drawbacks of this new intelligence. It is important to consider how AI is already impacting various industries. AI has the potential to automate many tasks that were previously performed by humans, which has led to concerns about job displacement or job loss. In particular, industries that rely on repetitive tasks, such as manufacturing and data entry. These industries are at risk of being heavily impacted by AI. However, it is worth noting that the adoption of AI in these industries may also create new jobs, such as the development and maintenance of AI systems and the analysis of data generated by these systems. So will you lose your job? Well, it depends on what you, as a worker, can do. If you're a doctor, for example, you can rest assured that AI will never fully take over your job. The best it can do is assist you. AI could be used to analyze medical records and provide recommendations to doctors, or to assist with the interpretation of diagnostic imaging. In these cases, AI may take certain jobs more efficient, but probably you'll never fully lose your job. Also, if you're a teacher, you should be more excited about your job than scared, since AI will help you supercharge your skills.
Teachers at this primary school in China
蓝色是走神了，
know exactly when someone isn't paying attention.
白色就是你可能跟网络还没有连接好。
These headbands measure each student's level of concentration. The information is then directly sent to the teacher's computer and to parents.
As AI can be used to create personalized learning plans for students based on their individual needs and abilities, this can help teachers tailor their lessons to the needs of their students and provide more targeted support. AI could also help teachers by providing them with grading and feedback, classroom management, and data analysis. It is important to note that AI should be used as a tool to assist teachers rather than replacing them. While AI can assist with certain tasks, it is unlikely to fully replace the role of a human teacher in the classroom. Every student has their own personality, as we all know. Teaching and educating them require a deep understanding of how subjects matter and the ability to adapt to the needs of their students. Again, while AI can assist with certain tasks, it is unlikely to fully replace human teachers. Some other examples of industries where AI may struggle to fully replace human workers include healthcare, education, creative fields, customer service, and social work. AI indeed will assist in big ways with these industries, but I may doubt that it will completely take over. Artificial intelligence has the potential to automate certain tasks and processes in a number of industries, which could lead to job displacement in some cases. With that being said, there are many industries where AI is expected to have a greater impact on employment, but I will only mention those who got the most number of employees in the US. First, we have the manufacturing industry. AI has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by automating certain tasks and processes. This could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, as well as cost saving for manufacturers. And that's by automating tasks. AI has the potential to automate tasks such as assembly line work and quality control, which could lead to job displacement in some cases. Also, AI can help with predicting maintenance, supply chain optimization, and product design and development, as AI can be used to assist with tasks such as product design and prototyping, helping manufacturers to bring new products to market more quickly. It is worth knowing that while AI has the potential to bring significant benefits to the manufacturing industry, it could also lead to job displacement in some cases. So it is important for manufacturers to consider the potential impacts of AI on employment and work with their employees to identify ways to retrain and upskill in order to stay competitive in the job market. And we also have the retail industry, in which artificial intelligence has the potential to transform the retail industry by automating certain tasks and processes, which could lead to increased efficiency and cost savings. However, AI could also have an impact on employment in the retail industry, and that's obviously because it can automate tasks such as inventory management and customer service. But also, it can help with supply chain optimization and fraud detection, since AI can be used to detect fraudulent activity in real time, helping retailers to protect their profits. Another industry which its workers will be impacted by AI is transportation. This is an industry which Elon Musk himself warned that it will be impacted very bad by the AI.
What percent of jobs are transport? Transport will be one of the first things to go fully autonomous.
Here is some examples of how AI could impact the transportation industry. These include autonomous vehicles, as we've already seen this with Tesla and BMW. Also with traffic management, as AI can be used to analyze data from traffic patterns and optimize routes, helping to reduce congestion and improve efficiency. But also with fleet management, as AI can be used to analyze data from transportation fleets and identify opportunities for cost savings and efficiency improvements. It can also help with predicting maintenance, as AI can be used to analyze data from transportation equipment and predict when maintenance is needed, helping to prevent downtime and improve efficiency. So will AI impact designers and creative professionals? Well, the answer is yes and no. Artificial intelligence has the potential to significantly impact the role of product designers in the near future, as AI-powered tools become more advanced and able to automate tasks such as UI design and content creation. Companies may be inclined to use these jobs in order to save money. This could lead to job displacements from some designers, as companies may choose to hire AI tools instead of human workers to perform certain tasks. However, it is unlikely that AI will fully replace the need for human designers. Instead, the role of product designers may evolve into more of a generalist position, where they are responsible for formulating queries for AI engines and fine-tuning the outputs. This shift could be driven by the increasing focus on speed and efficiency in the business world, as companies seek to increase and improve their return on investment. The use of AI in the design process is likely to become more obvious in the coming years, with designers working in collaboration with AI to co-create designs. This could lead to faster exploration and ideation, as AI tools may be able to replace traditional mood boards and generate multiple variations of designs for designers to tweak. It is important for product designers to adapt and upskill in order to stay competitive in the job market in the age of AI. This may include learning how to work with AI tools and developing expertise in areas such as product strategy and usability testing. Overall, while the rise of AI has the potential to disrupt the product design field, it is important to remember that AI is simply a tool. It has the potential to make the work of designers easier and more efficient, but it cannot fully replace the creativity and expertise of a human designer. The key for designers will be to adapt and embrace the role of AI as a design partner rather than viewing it as a threat. Artificial intelligence and automation have the potential to significantly impact the economy and labor markets, with some scholars claiming that AI could spell the end of capitalism as we know it. The substitution of human labor by machines and algorithms threatens to create mass unemployment and a useless class with no advanced technical skills or knowledge. This could result in social upheaval and destabilize the economy and society. As the working class becomes increasingly resentful and frustrated towards the wealthy owners and controllers of automated knowledge, AI may also contribute to a crisis of overproduction, reducing the consumer market and leading to increased income inequality. As automation becomes more widespread, it is likely that many jobs will become obsolete, leading to a decrease in demand for labor and potentially causing widespread unemployment. The end result of this could be a labor-less world, in which a small number of tech oligarchs control the vast wealth created by AI and robots, while the rest of the population is left without viable employment alternatives. In order to address these issues and ensure that the benefits of AI and automation are fairly distributed, some scholars argue that states may need to adopt a socialist economic system with increased government involvement and taxation. This could include measures such as universal basic income or UBI, minimum standards of living, and targeted regulation of AI products to ensure transparency and accountability. While such a system would likely be unpopular with those who benefit from the current capitalism system, it may be necessary in order to prevent social unrest and ensure that the negative impacts of AI on the economy and society are mitigated. On the other hand, there are those who argue that AI will make capitalism more embedded in society through the growth of the big data economy, in which businesses use data collected from consumers to create targeted advertisements and products. This could lead to increased income inequality and the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few large tech companies. While this may benefit those who are able to take advantage of the opportunities provided by AI, it could also result in further polarization and inequality within society. Ultimately, the impact of AI on capitalism and the economy remains uncertain and will depend on how it is regulated and used. It is important that governments, businesses, and society as a whole consider the potential consequences of AI and take steps to address any negative impacts it may have. So will you lose your job? There is no definitive answer. While it is true that AI and automation have the potential to disrupt various industries and potentially disrupt some jobs, it is also important to recognize that AI can also create new jobs opportunities and increase efficiency in certain areas. It is difficult to predict exactly how AI will impact the job market in the future, and the extent to which it will affect individual jobs will depend on a variety of factors, including an individual's skills and abilities. Ultimately, it will be important for individuals to continuously adapt and develop new skills in order to stay competitive in the job market and take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. So get in today or be forgotten tomorrow. On top of that, let's get straight here for a second. The idea that AI will revolutionize jobs and displace others was forthcoming years ago. It was only a matter of time before it happened. There have been numerous movies, documentaries, and analysis warning us that once AI arrives, jobs will be disrupted and economies will shift. Which means you had years beforehand to develop your skills. If you chose not to do that, that's on you. Don't bury your face in the dust and hope for AI to fail and leave. It won't. It will only get stronger and more dominant. So if you don't develop your skills today, believe me, you will be left behind very soon. You still got a chance. Everyone still has. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. This is Koka from Shortery, and I will be coming with more videos, so please consider subscribing. Thank you.